Hey you guys. So we're back, and today is
my anniversary.
Yay! So you guys, it's been a long time coming. The struggle is real. But today we're celebrating our
19th anniversary.
No, good stuff though. Yeah, we have been rocking it out, thick, thin, all that good stuff for 19 whole years. Oh my gosh, we have an 18-year-old, all that good stuff. So this is it.
I still look good though.
He got this for his birthday. How cute is that? So anyways, we want to just pop on here and say, hey you guys, hey. It's been forever since we have been able to sit down, since we've just been, you know, rolling with things, you know, trying to get back out of this.
Working.
Ooh, you twerking?
Working and twerking.
Well, I'm gonna have to bring y'all to another video on that. Anyway, so we got some goodies I thought we'll share. You guys already have saw my bum bag unboxing, and so it just kind of like fueled the fire for some good stuff to come. Oh my god, so I just wanted to share some of our little finds that I got. Some things may not work out, some things may. So anyways, let me go ahead and start out with one, and then I'll have him to go.
I ain't going.
Oh yay! So today quite a bit of boxes came in the mail. These little boxes here, they were very discreet though. You don't even know that it's this. It just comes like a regular plain box. And this box came, this little cutie right here. So this is one of the items, and let me share. This one took a little bit to come in because I didn't expedite the shipping. But anyways, how cute is this bandeau? This is how it looks. So I went on in there because I saw a lot of people tie little bandeaus around their straps, so you know you won't get so much oil transfer and all of that. So I'm gonna figure it out sometime tonight or tomorrow to put the little, that's how it's gonna be on the top. Oh, so cute. And then if I get tired of it, I can always put it as a headband. Ooh, girl, get it. Cute. So anyway, so that's my first item here, this cutie right here. Go ahead with yours. Look what he bought, these roses. Let me show y'all. So pretty. Look at them. He put them in the water. I was working, and they came in the mail. They came from this is not sponsored or whatever, but he purchased this from Pro Flowers, and 2 boxes came in the mail while I was working today. It was so awesome. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, look what came in the mail. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. What's that box? What is all that? Ooh, goodies. And he went on and put them in here. Ooh, look at all those flowers. Ooh, they so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so let me put that back over there. That was one set of flowers, and then here goes the other set right here. Oh, so pretty. These are a variety. They have so many beautiful colors in here. Look at that. It matches his shirt. Oh, I should put that in my hair.
Ooh.
It's gonna break anyway. Go ahead, open up, go ahead.
Hey, this is the box, the yellow orange box. I call it orange.
Oh, look at that. Put it right here.
And she picked up some flippy floppies.
Slides. So cute.
We call them flip flops.
So y'all come in the little slide box.
Flippy floppy.
Oh, you stressed? You struggling? Come in little dust bags. Each shoe comes with their own.
Each shoe got a dust bag. Woo-wee.
And this is how they look.
Woo-wee.
Yay, so cute. And he has the belt, but the belt is Damier Abing print. And this is the monogram in the black graphite. Okay,
yep,
so.
all that works.
All right, go ahead and put it back in there so we can keep moving. All right, give me that one. This one?
That one. What is that? See?
Okay, you guys, so here, this box came from actual store, and then all this other stuff came from the website.
What store you went to?
No, I called. I wish I went to the store.
See, y'all in this.
Okay, so here goes. This is how it comes into this container, this little.
People on quarantine just buy anything they want to buy.
Look what I got! Ah! So cute. So it's a little pouch, because y'all know I'm a working woman, honey. So I just got me a laptop pad. Look how cute it is. It has a pocket in the inside. It has a little booklet there. So cute. So this is how it looks. It's all over, and it opens up like that. Yay! Isn't it cute? This one is made in France. Made in France. I was waiting on one more package, but the UPS probably was gonna come later. But we finna head out.
Probably made a U-turn.
Yeah, we may get it tomorrow. But anyway, so this is what so far that came in today. Right here. How cute. Oh, they already put up, and then these shoes right here. So that was it for today. I got all of these beautiful flowers. I'm so excited. Look, this matches shirt. Okay, you guys, so we just wanted to say we wanted to say, hey y'all, this is our anniversary.
We wanted to say happy anniversary to y'all too.
Yeah, it could be somebody else's anniversary this month of May.
At work it is.
And this is a dope month to be, like, May is like a good
month.
month.
May is a dope month because it's Taurus season. You feel me?
Oh, okay, well, yeah, he had a birthday, it was Mother's Day, and then it was our anniversary, so we always have a lot going on in May, and usually we travel, but we're stuck out here.
April and May are our busiest months.
Yeah, we usually do spring break in Erledex. Anyways, we just wanted to say, hey y'all, hey, we're finna go eat. We may grab the camera and bring it along with us, but until then,
we'll see you guys later. What's up, y'all? Maxed up. We had our special occasion place. Ooh, that sun in my face. I'm glad I got my custom wood grain sunglasses on.
Hey you guys.
We had Landry Seafood.
Hey.
Hope they got us all the way in the back in the corner.
We got a reservation. We're kind of a few minutes behind, but we're here.
Yeah, a few minutes behind.
No, it's not my fault. So we're here. Look at my cute little. Can y'all see it? We got a little black stripe on the side.
Your mask on the floor because you broke it.
Ooh, show them my blazer. Cute. All right.
The sun is blocking it.
Oh.
Uh-oh, she put her Jesus flippers on. She's so slow, that's why I be late, because she digging in her purse.
I'm sure my
They spending money on signs.
Ooh, right there.
The people who work here, babe, are you listening?
Okay, so then why you make me bring a mask?
Just in case.
This is the type of behavior we're displaying at the restaurant.
Ain't been in a public establishment.
I know. You guys.
People don't know how to act.
It's been so long since we ate out. I'm a little scared, but I'm taking our chance. Music is playing in the background, but we are getting our food. So we have my salad, and he has clam chowder with some bread.
One dude was like, he did a video